Hello everyone, welcome back to my art and work education class. Myself Shomiron sir, and today our topic is leaf painting. So I hope you have already watched my last two videos. The first video I have given the concept or the elements of color, where we have already discussed about the primary, secondary and the tertiary colors, as well as about the tones, about the hues of color. And on the second video we have discussed about the abstract painting, as well as I have also shown you one abstract painting. I have already given you one task and I hope all of you have done it. All of you have practiced some abstract painting also. So today let us try something new. So today we have chosen the topic of leaf painting. So you know leaf is a natural thing, and the early people, where there was no paper, okay, the people used to write it down on the leaves, okay, as well as sometimes they are also coloring it. So from there we have taken the concept as the base, okay, and the leaf will be taken, and on the leaf we can do the painting according to your own choice. So let's see. Introduction. Leaf painting is a process of painting with dyed leaves. It derived from Japan, China, India, and also become popular in Vietnam. So from these countries it is derived. Okay, it is also popular in these countries, as well as it is present. It is very much popular in Vietnam also. And over here, dye leaves means dyeing means coloring. Every product is unique. You know, all the product is unique, and leaf is a very unique one. Okay, it is quite different from others because of the leaves veins are there representing the leaves. The forms of the structure of the leaf is different, and it is also look different, okay, before and after coloring also. That's why we have chosen the leaf on which we will paint. Now what are the materials required? Natural leaves is required, acrylic color, brush and palette. So you can see different types of the leaves are there. You can take any types of the leaf which are available in your surroundings, in your locality, but don't break any big branches of the tree to collect the leaf. Whatever one or two or three leaves you can collect it, and try to take the broad leaves which are bigger in size, so that it will be easier for you to paint it on. So over here I have shown you some different types of the leaves, or any of the leaves which are available by your nearby locality, you can collect from there. Next, the acrylic colors. If you have with you, with that you can do. If you don't have, you can collect it from others, or you can buy one acrylic color and keep it with you, which will be also useful for the other paintings also. Next is the palette and acrylic paint brushes. These are the things which are required. Now in this video of a leaf painting, I will show you 3 leaves are taken, and the color, palette and the brush, and how you just watch it. So take some colors from the color box and mix it on the palette with your brush, and just put a base color on the leaves. You can take any color according to your choice. Do some base colors and put some several symbols on the mark. Okay, whatever it is shown in the video, you can also try different also. You can put several symbols, okay, several sign, several designing pattern on the leaf to make it some unique. Okay, it is a type of abstract painting on the leaves. You can do some different thing. You can try some different things also. So here you can see 3 of the leaves are colored with 3 different colors. You can sprinkle some color on the leaves also. Okay, you can make some different patterns and designs on the leaf. Put some dot also, which can make it different and beautiful. So you can find that how we are changing the pattern, okay, the color of the leaves, drawing some different patterns on it with some different colors, several symbols or design to make it some unique one. So already you can see the 3 of the leaves is already painted. Like this way you can also paint, you can make some design by your own also, some abstract painting on the leaves also. So all of you should try it. So thank you everyone, and I hope all of you will practice it properly, and you will also give me your valuable feedback. Thank you everyone, and have a nice day ahead.